The Oppo Reno 4 Pro is the company's latest premium smartphone for Indian consumers. It has been launched in just one variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage at Rs 34,990. This upper mid-range price tag makes it a direct competitor of the OnePlus 7T, OnePlus Nord, Realme X3 Super Zoom, Realme X2 Pro and other smartphones priced under Rs 35,000. I have tested almost every smartphone mentioned in this list in the past few months, and today I'm going to talk about the all-new Oppo Reno 4 Pro. I'm going to give you a totally unbiased opinion about this smartphone. So should you buy the Oppo Reno 4 Pro at Rs 34,990 or consider its alternatives? Let's find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to Yantra Gyan for all the latest technology videos. Starting with the design, the Reno 4 Pro is one of the best looking smartphones you can buy today in the Indian market. It is sleek, lightweight and is bound to turn heads. The dual tone anti-glare matte finish back panel with this hard to miss quad lens camera setup simply looks brilliant. This phone is extremely lightweight and comfortable to use in day-to-day routine, but the OnePlus Nord is even more ergonomic due to its compact form factor. Surprisingly, Oppo has decided to retain the 3.5mm audio jack on the Reno 4 Pro, which means you can use your old 3.5mm headphones without any extra connector. How cool is that? Sadly, there's no IP rating for protection against water and dust, so make sure you take proper care of this smartphone while using it in rainy season. The front is occupied by a 20:9 aspect ratio curved screen which has almost zero bezels and it looks simply gorgeous. Overall, Oppo has done a great job in designing the Reno 4 Pro. It's an ultra stylish lightweight smartphone which simply looks stunning. The Oppo Reno 4 Pro offers one of the finest OLED display in the market. The smartphone flaunts a 6.5 inches 3D curved Super AMOLED screen with the fluid 90Hz refresh rate. It is a Full HD panel with 20:9 aspect ratio and 402 pixel count. As per Oppo, the screen offers a peak brightness of 1100 nits and it does get really bright. The AMOLED panel is very responsive, adequately bright, vivid and offers deeper blacks. I found it to be even better than the 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED panel on the OnePlus Nord. It's just a better overall screen for video playback and gaming. The colors pop out really well and the good viewing angles make for an immersive viewing experience. There's nothing extraordinary about the camera hardware on the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. It's a pretty standard 2020 camera setup featuring a 48MP primary sensor along with an 8MP ultra wide angle lens, 2MP macro lens and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, the Reno 4 Pro features a 32MP front-facing camera. And while it is a pretty standard camera setup, the Reno 4 Pro manages to compensate for the loss by bringing a feature-rich camera application, especially for the video recording. The AI portrait mode and the interesting camera filters allows you to shoot some really cool cinematic videos. How cool is this effect? You can see the subject in colors while the background is completely monochrome. That said, the Reno 4 Pro will come across as a good video recording device for content creators. The smartphone can shoot 4K videos at 30fps, 1080p videos at up to 60fps, 960fps super slow motion videos and time-lapse videos. As far as picture quality is concerned, the images are crisp, show vibrant colors, good contrast and impressive dynamic range. Oppo Reno 4 Pro is a premium smartphone with a mid-range chipset. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G SoC which is mostly seen on mid-range smartphones. It's a good overall chipset for day-to-day use, but when you step into Rs 30,000 price territory, you need to ensure a powerful hardware and the Reno 4 Pro simply fails to deliver on that front. Having said that, the handset with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM is a decent multitasker, but don't expect a premium flagship grade performance from this handset. It can only run games at medium settings without any frame drops and start to lag when you push it to extreme workload. Moreover, Oppo is offering a 4G handset at a price tag of a 5G smartphone in the year 2020. If you fancy a 5G handset with a better processor, the OnePlus Nord is the answer. Or you can simply go with the Realme X3 Super Zoom if you want a flagship processor. The Reno 4 Pro runs on the Color OS version 7.2. It's a clean user interface and comes loaded with useful features, but also come preloaded with applications that are banned in India like Hello and TikTok. Let's talk about the highlight feature of the Oppo Reno 4 Pro, the only feature that justifies the premium price tag. The Reno 4 Pro brings the industry-leading 65-watt fast charging. It is so fast that it can charge the phone's 4000 mAh battery unit from flat to 100% in about 36 minutes. This is crazy fast. A 10-minute boost will give you 35 to 40% battery charge, and if you get used to such fast charging speeds, there's no going back to 15, 20 or even 30 watt fast charging solutions. Overall, there's no smartphone in the market that can offer you such crazy fast charging speeds. So guys, should you buy the Oppo Reno 4 Pro? Only if you want the fastest fast charging technology and an ultra stylish, sleek looking device with a fluid and immersive display. I know there's a lot to like about the Oppo Reno 4 Pro, and I also happen to like these features. But the Reno 4 Pro just struggles to deliver on the performance front that I expect from a smartphone in 2020 that cost as much as 35,000 rupees. I wish Oppo had offered at least the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset, which could have made this smartphone a great overall device in today's time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Yantra Gyan for more unbiased and unsponsored technology videos.